Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a circle grid. First, gather your materials, whether digital or physical, and prepare your workspace. Next, find the exact center of your canvas or paper. This will be your starting point. Then, determine the size of your first circle, perhaps a radius of 2 inches, which will guide the overall scale of your grid. Now, let's draw the first set of circles. Using your compass or digital tool, draw a perfect circle from your established center point. For instance, make its diameter 4 inches. Then, mark 6 equally spaced points around its circumference. These points will serve as the centers for your next layer of circles, creating a foundational pattern. With your first circle and its 6 points, draw new circles, each centered on one of those 6 points, maintaining the same 4-inch diameter. You'll notice beautiful petal-like shapes and clear intersection points emerging. These intersections are the essence of your circle grid, forming a visually complex yet structured pattern. Repeat this process for a denser grid. To complete your circle grid, gently erase any initial guidelines that are no longer needed, leaving only the crisp circle intersections. Next, use a darker pen or brush to highlight the specific lines or shapes that form your intended grid pattern. Finally, you might add a touch of color or shading to enhance the depth and visual appeal of your unique circle grid design.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.